8 ways memoria turns your max photo chaos into a searchable goldmine. Number 1. Type any word from a photo's content, like receipt or birthday cake, and memoria finds it in under 2 seconds. It reads text and images using OCR, so even a blurry screenshot works. You'll stop scrolling through months of folders. The payoff? Average search time drops from 9 minutes to 15 seconds. Nobody expects it also finds photos by the color of the object, say, red car. Number 2. Speak naturally to find shots. Say, show me last summer's beach trip, and memoria parses your words for date and location. It understands context, not just tags. You save roughly 3 minutes per query compared to typing. Voice recognition works offline, so your privacy stays intact. The unexpected detail. It handles slang like flicks or pics without flinching. Number 3. Search by face without naming anyone. Memoria groups people automatically, even if they're in sunglasses or profile. You click a face, and it finds every shot from 2015 to today. That cuts family albums sorting from hours to minutes. It's accurate to 98% across 10,000 photos. What surprises users? It can tell identical twins apart by ear shape. Number 4. Locate files by time you took them, not where you stored them. Tell memoria, last Christmas, and it pulls shots by metadata, not folder names. Most people have 4,000 photos scattered across drives. This unifies them in one search. The payoff is a single query that replaces 10 manual clicks. Oddly, it also finds screenshots from that date, which you forgot existed. Number 5. Use scene detection for instant organization. Type waterfall or city street, and memoria identifies visual elements. No tags needed. It processes 100 photos per second on a modern Mac. You'll get a categorized library without touching a file. The hidden bonus. It detects emotions and faces, so you can search happy group shots. Number 6. Combine search terms for pinpoint precision. Mix beach with 2019 and with mom, and memoria narrows results in 1.1 seconds. This stackable search cuts review time from 40 minutes to 5. It works across iCloud, external drives, and old SD imports. Unexpectedly, it also matches duplicate photos, freeing up storage. Number 7. Search by photo quality or camera specs. Ask for low-light shots from my iPhone, and memoria filters by EXIF data. You'll find that one good-night photo from 1,000 blurry ones. Time saved, about 20 minutes per hunt. The twist, it ranks images by sharpness, so you get the best version first. Number 8, and this is the best, search with no words at all. Drag any photo into memoria's bar, and it finds visually similar shots across your entire collection. That's perfect for, I have this one pic, where's the rest? It matches by composition, color, and subject in 0.8 seconds. You can recover an entire event from a single memory. No one expects it also finds partially cropped versions. Which search trick does your photo mess need first?